Hi, students. Let's get started with the subject maths. Lesson 5. Fun with shapes. Hello students. Have you seen a rangoli at your home? Topic: Rangoli. It's a beautiful pattern made on the ground using dots and shapes. Sometimes we use flowers, colors, or even chalk to draw it. If the rangoli looks different, something might be missing or out of place. Let's try to make a rangoli on paper using dots, just like Amma does. Next topic, baking biscuits. Yummy biscuits. Have you seen how biscuits fit perfectly inside the box? That's because they are all the same shape and size, like a rectangle. Let's look around and see what other things have the same faces, like boxes, books, and erasers. Next topic, same to same. Look, my aunt gifted me a board game. These tiles look just like squares. The chess board and Ludo board are also square-shaped. But if I fold them, they look like rectangles. What's the difference? In a square, all sides are equal. In a rectangle, opposite sides are equal, but not all four. Next topic, square corners. Let's play a fun game. Find a tile that fits into the corner of your table. Try the same with your math book. See, the corners match. These are called square corners. Both squares and rectangles have square corners. Can you find something in your class that has square corners? Next topic, triangle. So many triangles. Triangles are everywhere, in sandwiches, mountains, and flags. What is common in all of them? They have three sides and three corners. Say it with me. Triangle is equal to three sides plus three corners. Next topic, circus with circles. Let's go in circles. Have you ever drawn a circle on the ground while playing? You can also use a paper plate to learn more. Fold it in half. Wow! That's a straight line. Fold it again. See where the lines meet in the center? That's called the center of the circle. Now let's make some puppets using circle shapes and have a puppet show. Next topic, those dots lines. Look at that flower decoration. So many lines and curves. Do you see the borders on grandma's sari? Those are made of lines, too. Some are straight, some are curvy. Let's draw lines and curves and make our own designs. Thanks for watching.